Kia ora. Welcome to our guide on how to plan and schedule an Inspiring the Future event. Inspiring the Future is free, designed for the curriculum, and is a great way to broaden students' horizons. Let's help them explore the world of work in a fun and engaging environment. We recommend scheduling your event and inviting role models at least 4 to 6 weeks out, so they can organize time off work. Before you schedule your event, you need to decide 1. Whether you want to run an in-person or online event. You can invite role models from your region for an in-person event or from around the country for an online event. 2. How many students will be involved? We recommend 1 role model per 5 to 8 students. If you want to involve a lot of students, say more than 100, contact our team for tips. 3. How long will your event be? We recommend 2 to 3 hours for an in-person event and 1 hour for an online event. 4. Where will your event be held? A classroom, the school hall, or another location? 5. Who will help you run the event? Check the step-by-step guide for roles and responsibilities. 6. Will you align your event with a specific topic your students are learning about? Then invite role models whose jobs match the topic. We recommend you read the step-by-step guide to running an event for your chosen format. Start by clicking on the blue Sign Up button on the top right-hand corner of any page on the Inspiring the Future website. Next, click on Sign Up as a school or teacher. You'll be taken to the Education Sector Login or ESL page. Log in with your username and password. If you can't log in, ask the ESL delegated authority at your school to give you access to Inspiring the Future. Before you create your event, you may want to browse the role models. Click View Role Models. From here, you can favorite people and then view your favorites when you create an event. This is a good way to keep a short list of role models for your events. To schedule your event, go to Create Your Event. Choose whether you want an in-person or online event. Next, you'll enter some information about your event, such as the date and time, and some information to help your role models prepare, such as the age of the students. For an online event, you'll need to copy in the online meeting link and schedule a pre-meeting. The pre-meeting helps everyone prepare and ensures technology works. It's time to invite your role models. You might have ideas around the types of role model you want to invite. Use the search and filter tools to find them. You can also filter by people you have favorited. Unless you're doing a themed event, try and select a diverse group of role models. For example, with a mix of degree and vocational pathways. We recommend you invite at least double the number of role models you need, as some won't be available on the date of your event. You'll get to review your event details before sending the invitations out to role models. They'll receive these invites via email, which they can accept or decline. You'll receive an email whether an invitation accepted, declined, or if it expires after 1 week. When your invitations are declined or expired, go back in and invite more role models until you have enough accepted invites. It's important to stay on top of this. After scheduling an event, you'll receive emails reminding you what to do. These emails include a link to the event resources, which include everything you'll need on the day, as well as pre- and post-activities for your ākonga. You can order a free physical resource pack by emailing us at inspiringthefuture@tec.govt.nz. For event planning support or questions, email us or phone 0800 601 301. We're here to help make it easy for you to create unforgettable events for tamariki and broaden their horizons. We can't wait for you to join us. Mā te wā.